have to have your clip and a marker ready where you want your glow to be. Then you're going to go into layer, new, adjustment layer, and you're going to keep selected onto that and click on the effects and presets panel and search glow. So you can use any plugin that you would like. Sapphire is quite good, but for this I'm just going to use the stylize and glow option. So this is standard and comes with After Effects. Just drag it onto the clip, and you can adjust your threshold, radius and intensity to however much you want, whatever works for you. I'm just going to paste some settings that I made earlier. This just depends on the image's lighting and the colours in it, so you don't have to copy my settings. Just select the clip and you're going to click T and opacity at 100 and keyframe it at the marker. Go a few frames back, keyframe at 0%, and then a few frames forward from the marker, and then keyframe 0%. And there you have it, a glow flash. You can adjust this length however much you want, whatever works for you. You can make it shorter or longer, depending on your clip.